Let's take a look at what's in the kit. Needle nose pliers, jar of lube, spiral probe tool, T-handle insert tool, 2-piece replacement needles for insert tool, 20-piece tire repair cords, utility knife, accessories kit including valve tool, 2-piece Allen keys, 8-piece valve cores, 4-piece valve extenders, 4-piece plastic dust caps, and 4-piece metal dust caps. Includes heavy-duty storage case. Before attempting repair, be sure to review the included instructions manual. Apply lubricant to the tip of the spiral probe tool. Remove the foreign object from tire and probe the puncture to enlarge and clean the puncture. Leave the probe tool in the puncture. Remove one tire repair cord and slightly flatten one end with the pliers. Thread the cord through the opening of the insert tool needle until it is about halfway through. Gently dip the needle tip and repair cord into the jar of lubricant. Remove the probe tool from the tire and quickly plug the hole with the insert tool by firmly pushing in towards the tire. Leave about a ½ inch of excess repair cord. Firmly press the platform into the tire to hold the plug in place and pull from the handle of the insert tool to remove. Cut off any excess using the included utility knife. And gently wipe the tire clean.